Hello, super learners, and welcome back to Kids Learning Bharat. Today, we are going on the greatest adventure of all, exploring the most incredible, complicated, and wonderful machine ever created. It's a machine that helps you run faster than the wind, learn new things every day, and even give the best hugs. Can you guess what it is? It's you! It's your amazing human body. Your body is like a highly sophisticated team where every part has a special job. Just imagine a busy factory or a superhero headquarters. Everything needs to work perfectly together all the time, even when you are asleep. Let's dive inside and meet the main members of this amazing team, starting with what helps you stand tall and strong. Right now, feel your arm. Feel your leg. What is that hard stuff inside? That's right, your bones. All your bones together make up your skeleton. The skeleton is the supporting frame of your body. Think of it like the steel structure of a tall building or the chassis of a car. Without bones, we wouldn't have any shape at all. We would literally be like a pile of jelly. You have over 200 bones in your body, and they do 3 huge jobs. First, they give you shape and help you stand up straight. Second, they protect the soft, important parts inside, like a helmet protects your brain. And third, they work with the next team member to help you move. If your bones are the frame, your muscles are the powerful ropes and elastic bands that pull the frame around. Muscles are attached to your bones, and they are responsible for every single movement you make. When you decide to run to catch a ball, your muscles quickly pull and relax to move your legs. When you pick up a heavy backpack, your arm muscles are doing the heavy lifting. Even when you smile or wink at your friend, tiny muscles in your face are working hard. Did you know that you have over 600 muscles in your body? That's a lot of movers. They are always busy, even when you're sitting still, helping you stay balanced and keeping your head upright. Bones and muscles are the perfect team for action, giving you the power to jump, climb, and play all day long. Now let's move to the engine room, right in the center of your chest. This is where the magic of energy transfer happens. Meet the heart. Your heart is a muscle, but it's a very special kind of muscle that never, ever gets tired. It works every second of every day, whether you are running a race or just reading a book. What does the heart do? It's a pump. It pumps blood all around your body through a massive highway system of tubes called blood vessels. This blood carries 2 vital things to every single part of your body: food energy and oxygen. If you stop the pump, the energy delivery stops. That's why the heart is constantly beating to make sure every cell in your toes, fingers, and brain gets what it needs to survive. Put your hand on your chest now. Can you feel that steady thump-thump? That's your amazing heart working hard for you right this second. Working closely with the heart are the lungs. Your lungs are like 2 big, spongy balloons located inside your chest. Their job is to bring in the air we need to live, which is oxygen. When you take a deep breath in, try it now. Your lungs fill up with air. They pull the oxygen out of that air and hand it over to the blood, which the heart immediately pumps around the body. When you breathe out, the lungs get rid of the air your body doesn't need anymore, like carbon dioxide. Breathing is something we do without even thinking about it, but it's essential. Oxygen is the fuel that allows your muscles to run, your brain to think, and your heart to pump. The lungs keep the oxygen flowing, keeping you active and energized. We talked about how the heart delivers food energy, but where does that energy come from in the first place? It comes from the food you eat. When you bite into a piece of fruit or eat some tasty rice, it goes down into your stomach. Your stomach is like a mixing bowl and blender combined. It churns and mixes the food with special juices. From the stomach, the food goes into the long, winding tubes called the intestines. This is where the real work happens. The intestines break down the food into tiny pieces of energy and nutrients that your body can absorb. Think of it as a factory that takes raw materials, your food, and turns them into usable fuel, energy, for your heart, muscles, and brain. Eating healthy food is like giving your fuel factory the best materials to work with, which means more power for you. If your body is a company, the brain is definitely the CEO. Located safely inside your skull, the brain is the control center for absolutely everything you do. Your brain is constantly receiving messages from the outside world and sending out instructions. When you want to pick up a pencil, your brain sends a command down your nerves to your arm and hand muscles. When you see a red light, your brain tells you to stop. But the brain does so much more than just control movement. It's where you think, where you learn your multiplication tables, where you remember your friend's birthday, and where you feel emotions like happiness or sadness. It's also working hard when you sleep, helping you organize memories and giving you dreams. The brain is the ultimate supercomputer, handling millions of pieces of information every second. It truly makes you, you. Now, let's look at the outside of the machine. The skin is the largest organ in your body, and it covers everything. Think of your skin as your protective armor or your custom-made suit. It keeps all the important parts we just talked about, the muscles, bones, and organs, safe from germs and bumps. Your skin also helps keep your body at the perfect temperature. When you run around and get hot, tiny pores in your skin open up and release sweat to cool you down. When it's cold outside, your skin helps trap the warmth inside. It's a brilliant climate control system. Finally, we have the parts of the body that help the brain understand the world around us, the 5 senses. Your eyes are like 2 powerful cameras, taking pictures of everything you see and sending those images to the brain. Your ears are like sound receivers, picking up noises, music, and voices so you can hear. Your nose helps you smell wonderful things, like freshly baked cookies, and also helps warn you of dangers, like smoke. Your tongue is your incredible taste detector, telling you if food is sweet, sour, salty, or bitter. And your hands, covered in sensitive skin, are your sense of touch, allowing you to feel if something is soft or rough, hot or cold. These 5 senses are the brain's helpers, giving it all the information it needs to navigate and enjoy the world. Isn't that incredible? Your body is busy all the time, growing, healing, pumping, thinking, and moving. It's truly a non-stop, self-repairing miracle machine. Since your body does so much for you, it's important to take good care of it. Just like any machine, it needs maintenance and the right fuel. How do we keep this amazing body strong and happy? It's simple. First, give healthy food like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These are the premium gasoline for your fuel factory. Second, give it rest. When you sleep, your body doesn't shut down, it switches into maintenance mode. It heals, it grows, and it recharges the brain. Aim for plenty of sleep every night. Third, stay hydrated. Your body is mostly water, and every system needs water to work properly: the blood, the muscles, and the brain. Drink water throughout the day. And finally, play and exercise. Moving your body by running, jumping, and playing games keeps your muscles and bones strong, keeps your heart healthy, and helps your lungs work efficiently. So, the next time you run across the playground, remember that you are operating the most amazing, complex, and beautiful machine ever built. Be proud of your body, take care of it, and use it to play, learn, and grow every single day. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the human body. We'll see you next time for more amazing learning adventures here at Kids Learning Bharat. Bye for now.